Okay, so class, you're going to go into your Google Classroom. Okay. And then you will be in, oh gosh. Okay, so get into your Google Classroom. Go to your math. Click on classwork. Click on week 3 assignments. Click on the Monday, Tuesday. And then over here to the right, click on the PDF that is put up there. Once it is loaded, you're going to come over the 3 dots, click on that, click open a new window. Okay, so when it opens over here in the new window, you're going to click over here and this arrow button, click that downloads it. Come down here to the bottom where it's downloaded, click on that. It opens up. To the next one. Okay, now click this button. This one, it's another download button, another arrow button, but it's going to ask you to save it. So click on this. Okay, save it to your desktop. Okay, we're going to name this one Trial Lesson 18.1. And don't mind the 3. Okay, and then you click Save. All right, make sure you save it, and I didn't show you that on that one. Save it in your desktop, okay? All right, come over here. When you save it to your desktop, here it is, trial lesson. Okay, so you click on this and you open it up. Okay, once it gets opened, my computer is running slow, so I apologize. Oh, come on. I'm going to have like 4 or 5 of them opened, I'm sure. Maybe. There we go. Okay, when it opens, you can make it full screen like this. Okay, so it'll populate here in just a second. Once it populates, okay, there you go, voila. Come over here to Tools. Click Fill and Sign. You're going to click Open. Okay. Now, if it asks you, you're going to fill it in for you. So put it for you. Fill and sign under you. Okay. Now, come over here. Scroll down to the correct lesson page. I'm just going to do an example on this one. Okay, so we're picking the which ones is better. So you see how I have an A, B on here. Okay, so you're going to click 50 cents or check which one's a better deal. So on this one, you're going to type in peach. And I'm sorry, but it's running slow, so it messed up. Okay, so peach, tree, bank. Okay. I'm supposed to say bank, not ink. Bank. Okay. So then you hit tab. It goes to the next blank. Then it is done. Okay. So once this part is done, then once you have all of your work done, now remember you have to do 531, 532, 533, and 534. 532, 533, and 534 is 6 through 11. That is it. When you're done, come over here, click the save button. There's a little right here. It's a save button. Okay? Looks like a floppy disk. Some of your parents may know what that is. Click the desktop because that's where you saved it as. Okay, now it's going to automatically save it and transfer it. Okay, then you click next. Okay, you're going to click desktop again. Make sure it says the same thing. Click save. All right, so now it is saved. So now you can exit out of this. Go back to your Google Classroom. Okay, click this little arrow here. come over here. If you hit turn in, it's going to turn in a blank one. You need to come and hit add or create, and then come down here where it says file. Click on file. Click select files from your device. And if I'm yelling, I'm sorry. I don't mean to. Find the desktop, scroll down, make sure you're on your desktop, and right here it tells you. Scroll down. We did this one as trial lesson 18, and it had that 3. Click on it and you click open. When it's here and you're done, now if you have more than one file, if you're submitting all of your pages more than once, you could do it that way. If you did it on paper and took a picture of it, you select the picture that you did. Okay, you can add more files up to different ones if you want. Click upload. Now the more files you have to upload, it'll take just a little bit longer. Once you have this uploaded, then you're going to hit turn in. Do not hit turn in until you have attached your work. Make sure you attach the correct papers. All right. And if you're not for sure, if you're afraid they've messed up this way, you can click add and create each one if you want. Okay. But then when I open it, I open this one. I'm going to get where you typed in at. And which we did it right here. And it didn't show up. Okay. So, but I promise it does work. On my end, I've done it. You may have to type it in a couple times. I'll let you know if it doesn't show up. But that is the easiest way to submit them, okay? I'm not going to hit turn in because Camila needs to do her work and turn it in, and I don't want to turn it in too soon. Okay? So I hope this video helped. Again, if you have any questions, you can email me. You can message me on Class Dojo, on Google Classroom. I apologize. I've not been responding really fast. Some of it's I've been working with this. I've been trying to learn all this to try to make it your life a little easier. So, I hope to see you soon. And hope all is well. Okay. Thank you.